What's up, guys? Welcome back to Iron the Carrot Place. Today we're doing the Woodwork challenge. You gotta hit the goalpost and the crossbar.
Okay. Oh God.
Your mum.
Right, go on, get it in then, get it in.
Get it in.
Nope.
State your name.
Alfie the Fair. Alfie the Fair. And
Bro, where's that ball going?
Hold it.
I swear, every single shot we take. Liam, hold it.
Go on, go. 3, 2, 1, go.
The touch of Liam.
Oh, he misses.
I misses again up in the camera.
Go on, freeze frame, go.
Hold it.
The biggest
State your name.
Alvin, aka Sagboy now. I'm Sagboy now. But yeah.
AKA box ass. Shoots. Okay. Here comes Ben shooting, aka
The Red
the
Power
car.
Ranger.
aka the cards.
The Red Power Ranger, here we go.
Move out the way, man.
Move your dead bullet anyway.
Here comes Ben, aka Thunder Thighs. He shoots. And he shoots.
ball, look.
He
Did he hit it? Did he get it?
Wait, check camera.
Did he hit it?
I swear, oh wow.
Big up.
Big up.
Fucking Air Force.
The boy who cried wolf.
The boy who cried wolf.
McDonald's worker in the flesh.
That's why Air Force ass nigga. Still missed.
That's to God, man.
It's the man, the myth, legend, Iron the Carrot.
The Wolverine.
Doing the Woodwork challenge.
Down the carrot. We're back
Fat gimp behind the camera.
Box
ass.
You're no. First try. Right now.
And he shoots.
Yeah, you missed. You missed.
Hey,
You
cut the
missed.
cameras.
Full power in your first
So
shot.
off we go up first. On the number 1
Full
hopscotch.
power. Anywhere, just crossbar.
Crossbar on the 2 posts.
Crossbar 2 posts. He shoots. And he misses again.
No,
Go for the goal. And he misses again.
Alvin the Carrot Bro.
AKA
not off-brand version.
autistic brother Iron the Carrot. Box ass.
Autistic brother.
He shoots. And he misses again.
Oh, that hit. He's winning.
Ankle. AKA the car. Woo!
The Red Ninja Turtle.
Shoot, man.
Sure, man.
What, Raphael?
He shoots.
Oh, Raphael.
Unfortunately, by Thunder Thighs.
Failure is always an option. You know what else is an option? Slapping you.
This is Liam mode. Liam mode.
Oh! No! Too good. That hit. That you could hear it. You could hear that.
Now it's Iron the Carrot back on the stage.
It's sag, but not baggy.
Shut up, box ass.
We're doing
The Woodwork challenge. He shoots. But unfortunately misses. Bottom bins. It's okay. Thoughts? What are your thoughts on that?
I could have done better.
You could have done better, you're right.
Regret them.
Your disappointment.
Currently got the Wolverine.
Disappointment.
Wolverine.
Shut up. Welcome back, Alfie. Last name to the stage. Misses, unfortunately. Welcome back, Mr. Saggy, aka Box Pants. Box ass, my bad. Flat bunder.
That's actually a good thing. What you wanna have back as a boy? You wanna have back as a boy?
He's got back.
Why are you talking about me? It's not my good, is it?
Box ass shoots. Misses.
Oh, terrible.
Fortunate.
Right, Ben, it's you.
We are shit, lads.
Guys, Red Power Ranger.
Raphael.
Told me something else then, you know.
What?
He's in Pakistan.
And he shoots.
Oh my, what are you doing? He went straight in the
And
middle.
he misses again.
I'm guessing that guy lost a lot of wars.
Liam mode activate.
Yeah, go.
Odd clothes. White Air Forces. No! That does not count!
You've already hit that post. You need to get them two.
Okay, well.
And the carrot with no more.
Go on.
Accuracy.
And
He's gonna
he...
miss. He's gonna miss.
And come on with the cup. He shoots. He missed. You're in the You were in the shot.
My guy.
No, you disappointment. You got in the way of the shot, mate.
Go.
Shut up.
Go on, Liam.
Sorry. Liam's clout members over there.
Oh,
Oh shit. I got fire no.
He's dangerous in the streets, but small wee in the sheets. Alvin.
Well, you're wearing odd clothes, right?
Odd clothes.
No, fuck's not matching, bro.
Adidas, you muppet.
Line's not matching on the side. You're dirty.
You got New York 73 and Adidas on, mate. And Nike trainers on.
It says
And Nike
already. Brooklyn! Got a new member. Come over. Dumbass. Alright, join the bid.
Liverpool.
Take the shot. Take the shot. Terrible. Terrible. Snow in your hair, man.
Thunder thighs. It's dandruff.
Is it? I thought it was snow. I thought someone put some snow in
glue
it.
a dandruff.
Wow! Go get it.
Get it.
Oh, Brooklyn! He's got a bike.
Quick.
Playing.
No, God, shower.
I haven't showered in 7 months.
7 years, never showered in my life. Go on. Red Power Rangers.
Red Skittle.
No. Shut up.
What? He goes through the centre at the exact same time, bro. He's right, go. Hey.
Nope.
Right, state your name, go.
You know what it is?
We're having broccoli. Girl, better give me that brock. Stew it all up in a crock pot.
Broccoli the broccoli.
Yeah, shut up and shoot, bro.
Oh, he's got it! First shot, he's got it! The signature scream.
All I need is broccoli.
Oh! Oh! No!
Get rid of it! Can't zoom in on his stupid wet ass sweaty pants. To be honest, it is.
What are you filming me for, man?
Filming you.
Get the camera.
I'm filming you.
Nah. Aaron, I sent my ball.
I can make some out.
Aaron, the ball fell down. Yeah.
Hey.
Yes, sir. What? Stop filming. Oh, no.
Come on, right. Final shot.
I'm the carrot.
We're going crossbar.
It's it. No, you missed.
Ben, not first try this time. You did hit post, bro. Don't guess it. Oh, boy, I hit crossbar, fam.
The winner is
Yeah, me.
Liam again. Actually, no, it's him because he had one shot.
Broccoli.
First try.
Give me them green trees, all in a bowl, and I'm trolling these.